Class 8. I am Tripathi sir here. Going to start your new science lesson, that is chapter 16, light. Now light and vision. As you know, the light is also a form of energy which enable us to see the object. Generally it comes from the luminous sources. There are two sources of light, one is the luminous, other is non-luminous. Apart from them, some are natural sources of light like sun, stars and all, and some are artificial like bulb, lantern, candles, other glowing objects you can see. So you can say the light is a form of energy by which we are able to see some objects. Luminous and non-luminous object I told you. After that we'll come to the other page. Here we'll come to know about reflection. Whenever light falls on a surface, it got reflected back from there. Now you can say there are two types of surface. One is the smooth surface, other is irregular or rough surfaces. Whenever light falls on the smooth surfaces, it follow a regular pattern and it will go a proper pattern. Same way, if light falls on irregular or rough surface, the light will spread here and there. So that is known as the diffuse reflection. So there are two kinds of reflection. One is the regular, other is the diffused. Now, laws of reflection. Whenever light falls, I told you, on a smooth surface, it will follow a definite pattern. Scientists observe their particular pattern is known as the laws of reflection. Now, after seeing this diagram, you can say there are incident rays, there are reflected rays. When light falls from a source of light, and once you make a normal in between, a line will be drawn, this will follow a definite, whatever angle will come as an incident ray, the same angle will be reflected by reflected ray. So the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. One center you have to draw again one line, that is known as the normal. Come to this page. One experiment is given how the light falls on a smooth surface and angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Now the two laws generally observed by scientists. First one I told you, the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Second is the incident rays, the reflected rays and the normal, they lie in the same plane. So you can see the diagram, all the three rays, they are lying in the same plane. Come to here. So see the image formed in a plane mirror. You might have seen in your daily life using the mirror, that is showing your images inside that. So there are two kinds of images. One is the real images, other is a virtual images. Now the real images are those images which you can take on a screen, and virtual images are those images which you cannot take on a screen. So two types of images I told you. Now once you stand in front of a mirror and your reflection will be going inside and your images be formed. So there are also certain rules for the mirror that is given here. You can go through those points. The images is upright just as you stand. First point. Second, the images is as far from the mirror as you are in front of it. If you are shifting back, image will also shift back in mirror. If you are going forward, your image will also go forward. If you are shifting left to right, image will also shift left to right. Now after one you more things you will see the property in the images form in plane mirror is, that is the mirror raises its left hand, then you see in mirror you look like your right hand. So this phenomena of images in plane mirrors is known as the lateral inversion. You might have seen the images form in ambulance and all, it is written vice versa. So it can look generally proper way or erect way in the mirror. So this is the for today enough. Now next continuous things I will teach you later on. Thank you.